Navigating a ship might seem like a complex puzzle, but once you break it down, it's really about understanding a few key principles and systems. Let's dive into the essentials of ship navigation, and I promise to keep it engaging. First, let's talk about the basics of navigation. At its core, navigation is about knowing where you are, where you want to go, and how to get there. This involves two main types of navigation: terrestrial and celestial. Terrestrial navigation uses landmarks, buoys, and charts, while celestial navigation relies on the stars, sun, and moon. Imagine ancient sailors using the North Star to guide their way across vast oceans. Pretty fascinating, right? Now, let's break down some of the tools that make navigation possible. One of the most crucial instruments is the compass. This simple device points toward magnetic north, helping sailors maintain their heading. But it's not just about the compass. We also have GPS, which has revolutionized navigation. GPS uses satellites to pinpoint your location with incredible accuracy. It's like having a superpower that tells you exactly where you are on the globe. Next, we have nautical charts. These are detailed maps specifically designed for marine navigation. They show everything from water depths to hazards like rocks and wrecks. Understanding how to read these charts is essential for any aspiring navigator. You'll find symbols and markings that indicate safe passages, currents, and even the locations of lighthouses. It's like a treasure map, but instead of gold, you're seeking safe waters. Speaking of lighthouses, let's not forget about aids to navigation. These include buoys, beacons, and lights that help guide ships safely into harbors. Each buoy has a specific color and shape that conveys important information about the waters ahead. For example, a red buoy typically indicates that you should keep it on your right side when returning from the sea. It's a simple rule, but it can make all the difference in avoiding dangerous areas. Now, let's touch on the concept of dead reckoning. This is a method where navigators calculate their current position based on a previously determined position, factoring in speed, time, and direction. It's a bit like playing a game of connect the dots, where each dot represents a point in your journey. While GPS is incredibly accurate, dead reckoning is still a valuable skill, especially when technology fails. Weather is another critical factor in navigation. Understanding wind patterns, currents, and storms can mean the difference between a smooth sail and a treacherous journey. Modern ships are equipped with sophisticated weather tracking systems, but knowing how to interpret weather signs can help you make better decisions on the water. Finally, let's not overlook the importance of communication. Ships use radio systems to stay in touch with each other and with coastal authorities. This communication is vital for safety, especially in busy shipping lanes. It's like a conversation among friends, sharing information to ensure everyone gets home safely. Navigating a ship is a blend of art and science, requiring knowledge, skill, and a bit of intuition. By understanding these principles and systems, you're not just learning how to steer a vessel, you're connecting with a rich maritime tradition that has guided explorers and adventurers for centuries. So, whether you're dreaming of the open sea or just curious about how it all works, remember that navigation is an accessible and exciting journey in itself.